Hello, welcome to World of Floorcraft. We are Karen and Nelson Rose, and we're joined today by Lady Teresa Hughes to do a double jive clip where we're going to show you how to do a sway walkaround. Obviously it's going to be helpful if you know how to do a standard single sway. Link in the description below, and because it's a walkaround, the timings could change depending on whether you want to walk fast or slow, etc, etc, etc. Arguably it could also be called a sway step across. And if you know how to do a step across, you're going to recognise some of those shapes part way through the move. Okay, so it looks like this. It goes 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, and 4. Now I added a turn and return at the start because this comes off of a return that obviously is going to come from whatever move you were doing before, but putting them in here is going to make it easier to see where all the bits are. So let's break it down. We go semicircles and back. We're going to come in, do a little block to set the ladies up for a turn. So there's our turn, lower and back. Now in the return, that's going to happen as usual in the left hand, but in the right hand we're going to do the wrap into a sway. So as the ladies come around, we're going to prep the lady in front of us for a walk as we sway the lady on our right back, and we're going to walk the lady in our left hand down and around the right hand side. As we do that for the lady, we're going to turn to the left, so both us and the lady in the sway are going to come around underneath the arm. And this lady comes across behind us, the lady in the sway, we're going to pop out to the left, a little bit like the exit from a sway flip-flop. So the hands come down to the left and we end up with ladies next to each other again, ready for a return. As I said before, because of how fast you do your walks and turns, and how many rotations you do, because you could go round more times, how many counts it's going to be is going to vary. But I'm going to suggest for the first time up, we're going to do it like this. We're going to go back 1, prep 2, turn 3, face 4, wrapping and returning 5, prepping the walk and swaying the lady back 6, and then we're going to do walking and rotating 7, 8, pop the ladies out 1, face 2, return 3, and back 4. So let's do it. Here we go. 5, 6, sway, walk around. We go a back, prep, turn, face, wrap, sway, and a walk, walk, pop, face, return, and back. And that is that. Hope you like that. Hope you enjoy it. If you did, like, subscribe, and hit the bell. That way you'll know every time a new video comes out. And we really appreciate everybody who does that, because it does help promote the channel. So thank you, thank you, thank you. Music recommendation on the end in the little windows that come up in the last few seconds of the clip. We'll be back next time with another modern jive, doubles, clip, whatever comes up next. And as always, thank you for watching World of Floorcraft.
I hope you have enjoyed learning some modern jive. There is a link to some music that is good to dance modern jive to. Thank you to everyone who hit subscribe. You are helping us to make more clips. Thank you. Keep dancing.